Cold start is a procedure that can be done in many cars with electronic systems of ignition, the ones that are allowing you to basically reset slightly glitchy electronics and get your car moving again. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Dimitri, this is Value Cars Australia, and today we're talking about another incident that happened yesterday with this MG ZST 2021 model, when under specific circumstances the car would refuse to power down or its electronics and therefore would refuse to start again. Basically, the ignition, the engine was not turning. So today I'm going to talk you through this, what cold start means in these particular conditions, how to very easily avoid stress. If this is your cup of tea, please stay tuned for similar videos from me. I review our ownership of the existing cars as well as some other things that I post on my channel. All right, here is what happened and here is how to fix it. Fix is very simple. You can use the timeline if you don't have time to listen to my story, but I think you should. Yeah, you can use the timeline chapters. So what happened is we needed to take our cat to the vet. Very simple. We got into the car, we started it as normal, no problems with the car. It's just been serviced, it's all in great condition. We got to the vet, but because my wife had the cat right here next to me in the cat carrier, and my wife was sitting right here, we pulled over kind of in front of the vet. She got out of the car with the cat in the carrier, and she had the car keys, because it's her car, in her bag. So basically what I had to do is park the car right there next to it. The car did not stop or anything, thank God, otherwise that would have caused an issue. But it did bleep. When my wife exited the car, it actually bleeped and said the car is no longer detected. The car key, the key fob is no longer detected. And I was like, okay, well, thanks very much for letting me know. I parked the car, I turned off the engine, I didn't lock it, and I went straight into the vet, and we kind of dealt with our things that we needed to do there. Then we come back. After, I don't know, 10-15 minutes perhaps, we come back, and I noticed that the car is not locked, obviously, because I didn't lock it. I didn't have the key on me. But now we're back together. The key is there. You know, the fob would have been detected. That's not an issue. And I can see the following situation. I can see that all the lights, as far as the dash lights, as far as the infotainment system, are on. But no one is home, as they say. Because even the starter, the electric starter of the car, was responding to the button. So I pressed the button as you would normally try to start the car. I put the foot on the brake, hold the brake, press the button, and hear this usual starter turning. But none of the engine turning, none of the there is no drn. The engine is not turning on. I hope you are used to my little impersonations of the car sounds. I hope you're okay with that. So the lights are on, no one is home, starter is turning. I don't want to keep turning it so that I don't drain the battery. Clearly, it's not the issue that we have discussed in the previous video of mine, where I talked to you about how to get you moving if the immobilizer of the fob is not detected. I even realized that obviously the car glitched out somewhere in its life cycle, and it basically wants to be turned off first before it can be turned on. So I wanted to get all the lights off first before I get moving again, right? But I couldn't do it. I called MG. Luckily, the gentleman was very actually patient with me. He spoke to me, understood the situation, and instead of straight away making me wait for a technician and sending out a technician my way, he just said, hang on, mate, let's do the cold start. And I was like, okay, what's the cold start? Cold start is... the procedure is very simple. I feel stupid, but hopefully you can benefit from me being stupid, but you don't have to be. You press fully into the floor. You press the pedal of the accelerator, not of the brake, of accelerator, yes. And then you press the start button once. That, in my situation that I just described to you, turned all the lights off. The car first turned off, which was nice. I was like, now we're getting somewhere. Then you just follow a normal procedure of the car is off now, you put your foot on the brake, and you start the car as normal, and the engine turned, no problem, no warnings, no nothing. That's it. It's kind of a long story, but you needed to understand the context so that you can apply it to yourself and decide, is it similar to what you're experiencing or not? I hope this helps you get you moving, because my wife was freaked out. She doesn't like when electronics is not working. Well, who does? I don't either, but I'm a bit more calm about it. And she was like, oh, I have to catch an Uber and we have a cat in the car and stuff like that. Real scenario, not made up, happened just yesterday. I thought I'll record this video for you to make your life a little bit easier. Again, I hope it helps someone. Casually explained situation, casually explained fix, but it will get you moving again. Please, the least you can do is like the video very, very quickly so that YouTube can show it to more people. It's a ruthless algorithm. The more people like it, the more it shows. The less people like it, the less it shows. Okay? And I'll talk to you next week about something else. Value cars related in Australia, ownership of this MG, other cars coming to our market. Lots of interesting topics to talk about. Goodbye for now.